One.
Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
So right
wabarakatuh.
now I have getting some duty that I need to present about my portfolio. So before I start that, let's say thanks to our God Allah who has given us mercy and blessing. So because of that we can get in here with any problem and obstacle. Secondly, may salat and salam always be given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay, guys. So at this time, I got some duty that I must present of my project from 7th grade until 9th grade, and let's start for the portfolio. Wish. Nah, so the first thing that I want to talk is about me. So now I was 14 years old. I really like something that unique in Edge, like open system or programming. Honestly, I interest at this. In computer science is because I can do anything that I want without any rules. Yeah, maybe there is some rules that I can break or maybe cannot. Yeah, like hacking maybe. That is something about me that why I like IT or maybe computer science. Okay, now we got some three seasons that I want to choose. There is 7th grade season, 8th grade season, and 9th grade season. So I will start from the 7th grade season. Yeah. So in overview, I got three projects that I have finished is IT project, English project, and linear project. For the IT project, I have already finished for the game development, and then a basic web development. And for the English, I already finished for the basic language, which means only like video introduction and each other. And for linear project, I got poster and then video that one. Yeah, only that. So I start for the IT project. IT project, yeah. There is game dev and also 3D game dev, not only 2D. Okay. About game dev explanation. In this project, I have made a lot of games that I built with scratch for the 2D game and also built box for the 3D game. I also learned about a basic project of the game that I have made. Yeah, this is the simple explanation about game that I've learned. Okay, the first project that I've made is Catching Fruit, which is a basic game that I didn't make, and I just follow the instruction from the teacher, and I really didn't understand about the logic. It is for my first project, and for the second project is a game that I think it tests about my logic, so I can know about the program, and I really understand a little bit about that. So let's continue. Okay, the third game is the Defender, which is there's two tank, and I think only one for all is like the player, and then there's so many enemy. At this game, I learned how to what's name make the enemy come from the any position or maybe direction. Yeah, and this game is kind of fun. And then the other leader, I don't know for this game. It can call a game or maybe a slide because at this game we only play with the picture, and then like if we click the button A, it will move into slide B and like that. And I can say this game is a piece of it. Okay, I have the fifth game. There is Technique Out. This game is kind of weird because the logic is uh, like root in Japanese, you can say. So the code is not with a good structure, which means it can make me confused about this game. This for the Technique Out, and then there's a Ninja Flip. I don't know with this game, but my teacher teach us to make this game, and I think that this game is new for my semester, and it's use camera for this. This game. Okay, there is the seventh game. This is Bomberman. If you ever play a Bomberman, you know this game maybe. And then for the final project, for my final project, I make some game like Alien Invader, which means that a plane, and then it will shoot the enemy from the plane. And that for the 2D game development. So there is the second is 3D game development explanation. The 3D game development is actually different with the 2D game development. And for the 3D game development, it's more harder because you need to design the player or the enemy with the 3D acceleration. And I think this game is hard for the design, not for the logic. Because before you enter the 3D game development, you need to understand about 3D design first. Okay. There is some of game that I have made. The first is Dummy Cube. This game is really make me confused at the first time, and the second is Cannibal. The game that I think is cool because the UI or maybe the asset is more and more fun. Yeah, this is my game that I get proud. And then there is a switching ball, which is the game that switch your ball to right and left, and then get the coin. Yeah, and then the fourth is Dino game. If you ever play Dino game on Google Chrome, you will know that is the Dino game, but I just modify it for the cartoon and the background. And the last is Finding Treasure, which it is only a game like RPG, I can say, but the game is kinda what's name hard because the asset is so many, not only 3. There is like 4 or 10 assets maybe, or 10 more than that. And I can say that this game is 50-50 for the level. Okay, web development, basic explanation here. And this project, I just learned how to make a website by using WordPress, yeah, and then also using Google Web. I don't know, yeah, Google website or maybe what one. So I learned this web development is using a free domain, and for the WordPress, we just pay only 90 or more than or less than that. Okay, the first is the personal web. Yeah, this website is already died for I think forever. I will never pay for the domain because I think I could make by myself, and this website is already expired since 2024. Yeah, this is for the personal website. And then there is I haven't said this. Sorry, there is like a web, Mosby web that built with Google website, and the third is full website that made by Google Web also. So I forgot to change the image, and I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Wait. Let's go back. Okay, let's start for the English project. And in this project, I just learned how to speak fluently than before. Yeah, just that. I just try to speak fluently and native. So there is the first video that's giving introduction, and the second is IT demo English. And then there is Islamic story by using English, and a short movie, which is there's one. And then there is the OTD project, and then public speaking in the front of you all after the word. And then there is procedure text, which is we make a simple grade, and then IT demo English again for the second semester. And then there is the second short movie that I've made in 7th grade also, but in the second semester. And then there is video podcast, and there is like mini contest, yeah. And then the second TOTD also. Yeah, I think this that. And then there is motivational speech, Yeah, I don't know about this, but the last is nightly speaking, which is always we do in the mosque after Isha. For okay, let's go back into the dinya. Okay, dinya explanation. What do I do in during this month? Oh, by the way, actually in dinya I just learn the basic thing that Muslim must know, and I also made a poster dakwah, which is my first time to make a poster dakwah with Canva. Yes. Oh, sorry. Oh, the first is poster adat, and the second is poster aqidah. And I think this design is very bad because it's my first time. And then there's my mapping, and I think this my map is kind of bad because I don't have any idea for this, but it's already built with Figma. Okay, and the last I think there's a video Shiro. Yeah, it's the last. Okay, let's go back again. Okay, let's continue to the 8th grade season for the IT project. So in 8th grade, I just learned about design and then IoT and robotics. So for my design experience is pretty fun, but it's kind of hard if I'm not creative. And I think you need a good creativity if you wanna learn about design. Yeah. Okay, there is so much poster design. There is like a commercial poster, poster for upcoming event, and then infographic poster. And then there's a 3D design that I made with Blender, and then illustration that I factor with Figma. Yeah. Then the last I think is UI design. Yeah, UI design. I design the Bitaqwa UI. And then there is UI 3D design, yeah, which is only the asset that I made a 3D. And then there is a profile company video. Okay, and the second is robotic experience. Fun fact, I really doesn't like about robotic because I just like to programming. I doesn't like about the hardware, like plug on or plug off the cable or which is like that lah. I really doesn't like about that. Okay, the first project is a Meso video and then water plant, and then there is a smart home, also the smart city, and then there's a smart farm. Yeah, yeah, this is for the robotic project. Okay, let's continue with the English project. So this time I try to speak English more fluently than before. I don't know why I learned this, but I think it's getting fun when I speak fluently. And also when I talk with foreigner, it's challenging for me. Oh, okay. There is like, oh sorry, for this I have a change for the name here. It's a podcast that talk about IT, and then there's a short movie that I don't give any picture over there because I don't have any idea before. Yeah, just that for the English project, for the and then let's continue into the dinya. For the dinya, I can say I improve my iman and design because I learn the most good material for the Islamic, and then I learn I learn to improve my design skill because my teacher is also can do design and design is good. So that is So there is the poster Akida, build with Figma, and then I think it's mind map, but I forgot to change the title, and then it's like a poster ada. It is for the poster design. And then there is a motion graphic and Tasmi Surah. That is for the API project. Yeah. Only that. Let's do it. Okay, let's go into the 9th grade season. Okay, let's start for the IT project. Okay, so in the 9th grade, I learned about Android, which is the thing that on your phone, like Samsung or maybe Xiaomi. And this experience is teach me about layouting and simply like scripting, but in Codular, which is Codular is just like a scratch with a block coding. Okay. The first is profile art, and the second is Find My Edge app, and the third is a radio app, and then the fourth is Talk to Me app. Yeah. And the last is calculator, which is has so many screens, around 20 or more than that. Okay, so we just getting started about Android Flutter for this semester. I think this material it will be used good for my dream because it teach me how to scripting an Android app by using a programming language and a framework. Okay, I only met one. It's a Bitcoin app. Yeah, only this. For it. Yeah, just go back again. Android Coder. Okay, let's turn into the English which is speaking. Yeah, speaking more fluent. I don't have any title again, but at 9th grade, I think that my English is more friendly than before. Can I say something that weird maybe? Maybe I can say more good, or maybe my pronunciation is more good than before. Okay, there is a discussion video and then presentation video. And there's like a future project video and then speaking test of 15 minutes. Kind of bored. Yeah. It is for the English project. Let's continue to the Nia and the last. And I think this video is around 20 minutes. Okay, for the Nia project. Yeah. Improvise my image design, same like before. I don't need to explain again. Oh, there's like a poster ada, build with Figma, poster Adidas, build with Figma again, and then mind mapping, also with Figma, and then there's a motion graphic video and video tasking, and that is the last for my project, I think. Okay, let's continue to the closing. This one. Okay, I got some bonus in Nobody. There's a certificate, which is I got an AI certificate and then Dogs and Flutter certificate. And only that. Do you have any question? If there's no, I will close it because the time is more. Okay, let me close it. Okay. Thank you for your attention, and I also say thanks to you all. And maybe just that I can explain in this video. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.